There ain't no one like, cause of you dumb or you crazy. There's no way, G. Me and my clique, we handling biz while you and your clique just act fugazi.
Right now, we're about to head to this gun range, Nexus. It's probably about like 10 minutes from my crib, but everybody says it's the best gun range around here, so we're gonna go check it out. We're just gonna look around. They got hella guns here. All the shit you see on Call of Duty.
What's your loadout you use in COD?
Right now, so I only play Warzone,
Okay.
but right now I'm using a Kilo. I use a Kilo for my long range and shit, and then I use the AK-74, and that's like mid-range and close range. So those are the two I use right now. I could say Growl, you could say Growl, you could say Kilo, you could even say AK-74. So I don't know. Preference, personal preference. Literally, you see all the shit you see in damn Call of Duty and shit. Yeah, look. The mini Draco, micro Draco right there. If you ever play Fortnite, you know the Scar is the best gun in the game. Well, it was. I haven't played it in like years, so I'm not sure if it still is, but you can tell that shit is 3,400. That gun must be like the P90, isn't it?
Looks like
yeah,
it, yeah.
PS90, yeah. I've never seen this gun in person before. That's crazy. I think I'm good on guns though. I don't think I need no more. I got 2 pistols, 2 ARPs. The only other thing I can think of is a shotgun, but I don't need a shotgun. That's crazy. 2,600 for a pistol. Alright, I'm locked in. I'm ready to go.
How's it going, my man? Stop. Watch this. Lock it. Lock this. Stop it. Boom. No. Rub.
One white, second one, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 8. 6 seconds all time. Pop, 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 pop. Okay?
1.
The white one.
Okay.
6 seconds.
Okay.
Okay? After that, it's 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay,
6.
okay.
Okay?
I'll do this one.
Yeah.
1.
always fun shooting these ARs. I thought the digital was cool too, though. I'd never seen that before, but I thought it would be more like, I thought the targets would be better, like more.
To be honest, I think it was off by a little bit.
Yeah,
I felt like I was
think
hitting
so.
them, but
I
it
think
kept
so.
on going up.
I think so, because I didn't hit nothing until like round 4, bro. It was definitely off, but that shit was fun, and this shit is only like, it's not that far from me, so I'm definitely gonna come back. How was it for you though?
It was fire, bro.
Yeah.
Them ARs,
Yeah.
them things was.
The silver one is louder, bro.
Yeah.
That shit is
It
loud, bro.
I think it's got more recoil too.
Yeah, for sure.
More kickback.
For sure. I think it's because the gun's lighter.
Probably.
So the gun's lighter, so that shit has way more kick to it. Look, these are my other targets and shit. And when I go to the range at Tampa, I just keep them. I don't know why. But that's a wrap.
There ain't no one like, cause are you dumb or you crazy? There's no way, G. Me and my clique, we handling biz while you and your clique just act fugazi. You couldn't persuade me to give a damn, it just don't faze me. I got my Xbox, she can't play me. Money in a text box, I get paid.